Hello students, good morning. Yesterday I gave you one assignment regarding finding out the quantile of list of numbers and taught you all of you how to find out the quantile, how to find out the exact result of quantile with the help of formula and steps. We have gone through these steps. Finding quantile is very easy with the help of pandas object. We just have to fill up the values inside the list to create the series and pass the quantile part in the quantile method. Whatever result exists is assigned into R and that R will be displayed. So finding quantile is very easy with the help of quantile method or pandas object. How that quantile method works is given in these steps. What we have to do, we have to just know sum of variables. You must be familiar. One variable is q, another variable is n, and another variable is t2 and t1. Now you must be familiar with the meaning of these variables. How we can use these variables to find out the quantile is that q is the quantile, q is the quantile to be find out, n is number of element, t2 is the value in the list, t2 is the value in the list, higher value in the list, and t1 is the lower value in the list. In between our quantile value exists. So here, if we want to find out the quantile, our value will be in between 1 and 10. So t2 is 10 and t1 is 1. Okay. So after following the steps, we find the result 7.75 as quantile. Now, how we can find out the result of this assignment? I have solved this question. We are having four values: 5, 37, 76, 1000. Now I fill the value into variable and follow the steps as given. So quantile q is 0.25, n is 4. Now I fill the value into formula. Formula is n minus 1 into q plus 1. N minus 1 means 4 minus 1 into q means 0.25 plus 1. So first of all bracket will be solved, that's why its result is 3 into 0.25 plus 1. Now next multiplication will be done first, so 0.75 plus 1, and after that result will be 1.75, but it is not quantile. Now next step to find out 0.25 quantile or 25% percentile is this one. Integer part is 1 and fraction part is 0.75. We have to use the fraction part only. Now fill the value as per this formula, t1 plus b. Here fraction part is 0.75, that is b, into t2 minus 1, t1, that is t2 means 37 max value, and t1 means 5. So 5 plus 0.75 into 37 minus 5. So first of all bracket will be solved. Its result will be 32 multiplies 0.75, result will be 24, and after that 5 plus 24, it means its result is 29. So 29 is the value of 0.25 quantile, yeah, 25 percentile. Okay, 25 percentile, 29 is the value of first quantile, first part of the quantile. Okay, so in this manner we can find out the quantile. Student, even if I have given this assignment yesterday to find out by from yourself, but nobody has tried. So remaining part of this assignment like 0.50 and 0.75 to be find out by the student, and they will give me as answer as part of assignment. Okay, thank you, and they will do this assignment right now. Okay, thank you.